YouTube channel, Meet Eco Champions.
Greetings everyone. Welcome to Wango Institute of Technology, abbreviated as MWIT. Here, we not only teach professional skills, but aim to produce well-rounded youth. MWIT is located at Wango Village, Karaba location. We are a social enterprise. My name is Dr. Mukei Florence. I'm the founder and director of the institution. Welcome. Today we are here at our college demonstration farm talking about farming, specifically organic farming and food security. Before I proceed, I will ask our students to introduce themselves.
My name is Jeremiah Moki, study welding. Today call me Banana.
My name is Elizabeth Mosioki. I study hair and beauty. For today, you can call me Madam Sugarcane.
Maina, studying hair and beauty. For today, you can call me Madam Avocado.
My name is Yvonne Omboa, studying building and technology. But today, you can call me Madam Passion.
My name is Sharon Mutia, taking diploma in ICT. But today, you can call me Miss Mango.
Thank you, students. Now, as you can see, we are in this farm discussing about food security and organic farming. This farm, as you can see, those hilarious names that the students adopted, it is a representation of some of the trees that we have here. For example, you can see this is an avocado, we have mangoes, we have bananas, you can see some passions down there. A short brief on farming. To myself, I've always loved farming since I was a child. And in the year 2007, I called up some farmers and we teamed up to form a self-help group. This was because I needed a channel or a team through which we could assist them to improve their farming methods in the aim of attaining some form of food security and also economic empowerment. But then I'm not an agriculturist, so we sought help from Kenya Agricultural Research Institution, and the officers were gracious enough. They came, taught us proper methods of planting trees successfully. As you can see, this is a very hot area. This is just about 10, 11 o'clock, and it is so hot. So we adopted those methods that we were taught, and you can see the success. There's all manner of fruits around here. Bananas, sugarcane, avocados, guavas, and all that. So it is really, for us, we consider this a success story. Now, you can see this is an avocado. Unfortunately, it is not ready because, as I would say, harvesting for a farmer is really the best season. You know, after the sweat, the working, there's nothing as pleasant, as gratifying as eating one's own fruits. So let's visit another tree. You can see this is a guava. It's got fruits. It's got fruits all over. Those are fruits coming up. Those are fruits everywhere coming up. Those are fruits. Okay. Those are fruits. Up there hanging, you can also see passion. So really all these are intertwined. It's like a fruit basket, a fruit forest. Then this is a mango tree, you can see. Now one thing I must mention is that these trees require regular visits, because at the time you visit, that's when you realize which one needs pruning. So for example, this one right now requires quite some pruning. It's also important that during those visits you check out for any element of disease, because then we have to spray to avoid the spoilage. Here we practice purely organic farming. So for our pesticide, we use stuff like oil, soap and water, garlic, chili and water, and many others. Additionally, these trees, they also require manuring. We also strictly use animal manure. Okay, let's move on. You can see sugar canes all over here. Sugar canes doing well. You can see the students munching some of them. It's lovely. You see bananas coming up. Bananas. Mango tree. More bananas coming up. and a huge one there, really coming up. That would be a lovely, lovely big banana. Beyond there, there's also another quite huge banana coming up. And then now here, this is a custard tree. This is one of my favorite fruits actually. It's really, really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful and very delicious. Not to mention that it is very, very healthy. So let me give a brief of this farm. Where we are standing now, this was bush until February 2019. That's when we cultivated this farm. From then to now, this is 5 years. So what are we saying? In 5 years, we have already eaten fruits. In fact, from the second year, we already started harvesting fruits. And of course, during the rainy season, in between our fruit trees, that's where we plant our beans, our dengus, our sweet potatoes, you can see. And really, not to mention that these trees, once you plant them, they last like over 50 years. That's a lifetime. So really, we are encouraging our students and our youth especially to love farming, to adopt some form of farming, because these things, once you plant them, the rest is just maintenance and harvesting. So it is high time they stop thinking of farming as a dirty occupation, a job for the losers. This has a lot of benefits. Not only are you eating healthy, you can also sell the excess. And therefore, viewers, with that, we come to today's episode, to the end of today's episode. We kindly request you to subscribe so that we can maintain contact with you with our later content.
Kwaheri, bye bye.